Hey guys, this is Ultimate Ear HYPERBOOM portable Bluetooth speaker. HYPERBOOM rocks a supermassive sound and extreme bass that take your party into a stratosphere.
Yes!
Its phenomenal dynamic range bring your track to life, rendering every sound level in gorgeous detail. The brainy adaptive equalizer read the room or patio or rooftop and automatically customize the speaker sound until it is utterly perfect for the space. 2 Bluetooth inputs, 1 auxiliary and 1 optical. HYPERBOOM goes all night and everywhere, from your living room dance off to the roof party. Big sound, pristine sound plus extreme bass, beautifully rich sound with big booming bass. Easy music sharing, play music from 4 different devices and easily switch between them with just the press of a button. Connect via Bluetooth inputs, 1 auxiliary and 1 optical. All day, 24 hours battery life. HYPERBOOM supports an up to 24 hours rechargeable battery that keep the party pumping wherever you take it. Plug it into the range for the rest of the time. Varies with use, setting and environment. This speaker got 6 internal speakers compatible with iPhone and iPad. Bluetooth compatibility, 3.5mm auxi in, 229 watts, frequency 20 Hz to 45 Hz. Height is 36.4, width is 19, diameter is 19 cm. Main operated, battery required, 1 rechargeable battery included. So we're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. Brilliant. Look at that. Nice packaging. Brilliant. Portable speaker with ridiculously loud, spatty sound and extremely bass. Party up. Connect with any Ulti-Ear SuperBoom, Boom or Mega Boom speaker for even bigger roof-raising sound. Bluetooth one-touch music control. Enjoy music streaming. Spill plus splash proof. Extreme bass. 4 inputs plus easy share. 24 hours battery. HYPERBOOM portable speaker that bring the party to life. So the power cables, this one is 2-pin and this one is 3-pin. This is also part of the power cable. You take this end and connect it to the main. Push it inside. Ultimate, yeah, this is information pack. So this will tell you the informations how to operate this. Brilliant stuff. Brilliant. Nice. Beautiful. Nice. First impression. Beautiful. First of all, you need to open up this, and from the port here, the power cable goes to the bottom one. You will see optical, auxi, USB out, and from the top you switch this speaker on and off from this button here. The plus is for you to increase the volume, the minus is for you to decrease the volume. You also have the center one is pause and play. You also have Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2, optical and auxi in. This is for you to increase the volume, the minus decrease the volume, and this button here is for you to switch this speaker on. Plug the power cable to the power. Push it inside and it's in. Now the next thing to do is switch the speaker on. The light is showing.
Critical battery, please charge. Hi there. Please download the Ultimate Ears Boom app to experience all of the features of your speakers.
Now critical battery, so the battery low, so we need to charge this up. It's plugged into the power. You can see Bluetooth 1 is highlighting. You also have Bluetooth 2, auxi and optical. Now go to your mobile phone and download HYPERBOOM app. Go to Play Store, type HYPERBOOM, install it. Ultimate Ear Boom by Ultimate Ear. Install it on your phone. Select open the app. Allow Ultimate Ear to find the speaker. Select allow. Never miss a beat. You can sign in your details or no thank you or sign up or do this later on. Now Ultimate Ear, leave to the ultimate. Select help or connect speaker. Select connect speaker, and now connect your speaker. Select HYPERBOOM. Make sure the speaker is powered on and Bluetooth button 1 is blinking. If not, hold the Bluetooth source 1 button until you hear a tone. So the next thing you need to do is, once you select the app, then go to your phone settings and select connections. Select Bluetooth, scroll down and look for this device, and this device is HYPERBOOM. It's available, so you need to select on it. Bluetooth pair request, select pair. HYPERBOOM connected for audio and is connected. Now we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. Beautiful. This is beautiful stuff. Powerful.
So I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come in, I would cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you
This is beautiful. With this, you have equalizer, so you can actually select adaptive. You have signature, bass boost, game and cinema, podcast and vocal. One touch. So if you go to the settings, you select one touch to your playlist. It gives you an option for you to go to Amazon Music or Spotify. Party up. Speaker sound. Speaker language, English. You can also select alarm off and on. You can see the volume.
just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back and let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you, and that makes me say,
This is beautiful. So you can party up. Party up. Active equal.
sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked.
You have cinema and game. Signature. Beautiful. This is beautiful stuff. Powerful. You will see the charging level. So currently it's 30%. And also you will see a light here that is highlighting to show you that this is also charging. So this is currently plugged in. This speaker is beautiful, deserves your attention. This is very powerful speaker. This is the handle here. You can carry it well secure. Thank you.